Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change background color in Confluence. First, go to the page where you want to change a background color in your Confluence account. Once inside, on the upper ribbon, click on this plus sign icon to insert an element. Then, on the search bar, go and search for background. And if nothing shows up, you can go to View More. Then go ahead and search again for background. Then in here, once this Karma Page Builder shows up, go ahead and click on this Learn More button beside it. Now to add it to your Confluence, go and try it for free. Then select your site and once done, click on the review button at the bottom. Then now start your free trial and just wait for the app to be installed. Now that it has been installed, you can go back to your Confluence and then refresh your page. Now that you have refreshed your site, you can now go ahead and type in a slash and then search for the app that you just installed, which is Karma, and click on it. Now in here, you can go and select a blank page or a template as you like, but we're gonna go with the blank one. Then for here, you can change the background color at the top right. Then select color that you want for your page. You can also go and stretch it as much as you want. And you can also add another section if you'd like. Then from here, you can now edit your page, like adding a text, image, or other elements. Once done on customizing, you can now hit the publish button on the top right corner. And now it will show to your Confluence page. In this display options, you can go and set it to full width so that it will cover all your page. And that's just basically it. That's how you change your background color in Confluence. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.